Second game po natin. Hempel versus Bowlers. Cicuri. Apa man? Apa ka?
Bola.
Oh,
Bola. Yung ayos naman.
Laging pa yung laro mo ito lang.
Ha?
Sa kabilang grupo pa ako, yan may nalawang pa. At tagal na lang tanong ng Fred, matatapos yung practice namin. Kaya may pag-asap sa kanya.
Ito po yung ano. Bowlers. Hempel.
Ma'am, lagi na. Nagkita ko. Charger na?
Oh, wala si ate.
Wait tayo na.
Ah. Diyan lang. Ah. Gusto mo charger? Isa.
Ah, saan lang ba? Ito pa rin ba? iPhone? Oh, meron pa naman. Baka malubat kasi yan.
Ganun dyan eh.
Ito yung white face natin eh.
Shoutout po tayo dyan sa ating mga masugid na tagapanood. Pakishare po ang ating live 4th Sindicato Sports Basketball League.
Grabe ka, Jay ah. Araw-araw lang ah.
Hindi siya may side eh.
Tanong yung comment back mga sabi.
Nadiri oh.
Wala nang sabi.
Good comments oh.
Hindi ka na mabasa ang comment lang.
Lobar, good oh. Ito deh. Ano?
Ako comment. Ako na...
Add. Yan na siya.
Pasok alam na gagawin.
Wala na.
Oi, mais.
Hindi, full screen, no?
Isa pa, sige, yung sa kabila. Kulay pa. Pwede sa pinis. Ano ba yun? Ano naman, I didn't mean that.
Hindi, yung itong
May ganda ng expression ni Kira.
Ano ba kasi yun, no? Ba kasi yun, no? Tanaw sa ano eh. Tanaw sa ano. Anong tanaw? Diyan na, diyan na. Hindi na mo. Ay! Banha! Ayun, finish. Hindi na ba sa taas ba?
Ilay bunga.
Sige. 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 Dito nga ako, magla-live din ako. Lalagay ko lang dito sa baba.
Okay, let's begin. Let's begin our second game for tonight. Battle between Bowlers versus Temple. Ayun na. Pasok na lang natin first fight.
Bula, sir!
Pasok na lang ang first fight.
First fight.
Ayun na, pasok na first fight. First fight, pasok. First fight for Temple. Noise Liberos. Emil Trinos. And Jaime number 13. Genisa number 19. Ayun. Reyes number 3, Lagnayo, Balinan, Bernardo and Fuentes. In tayo, Romel, top in tayo, Romel. Remind ko lang ha, kailangan naka-top in kayo. Ayun na, Sabigang, Balinan, Pasulog na yun. Ayun na, Bernardo, Reyes, what a good back. Ayun na, Trinos. Paso Jaime, 14, Trinos, 4-3. Bang! Rinos! 4-3. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gantor Company, our major sponsor, Bernardo Binura, for 3. Mablay and Filiberes. Pass to Jaime. And Jaime doing the ball. Pass to Trinos. Pass to number 31. Pass to Jaime. Ayun na. Ginisa recovering the ball. 14 to shoot. Filiberes. Pull up. Jumper. Supply. And Lagnayo for the rebound. Lagnayo doing the ball. Pass to Fuentes. Back to Lagnayo. Back to Fuentes. Bernardo open. For 3. Mablay. Ayun. May nanulak. And number 4, Balinan. First personal foul. Ayun na, Trinos. Pass to Jaime. Back to Trinos. Pass to Filiberes. Back to Jaime, open. Basket count coming from Jaime. For 2. Ayun na, Lagnayo. Pass to Fuentes. Back to Bernardo. Fuentes. Pass to Lagnayo. 10 to shoot. Ayun, Filiberes. For the steal, pass to Trinos. And Trinos in the ball. Ganda na assist. Basket count coming from Jaime for 2. He scores 7-2 in favor of Hempel. Lagnayo. Pass to Bernardo. Pass to Fuentes. For 3. Mablay, rebound, Reyes. And Reyes. Pass to Bernardo. Open. Mablay, Ginisa for the rebound. And Ginisa pass to Jaime. Lilipan, basket count. Lagnayo, pass to Reyes. Kumabit ang kamay. Foul number 31. Sadaya, personal foul.
Naka-full na? Full na pala. Full na.
Balinan, pass to Lagnayo. Pass to Fuentes. Ayun, Tapi ka nagawa ng bola yun na. And Jaime, good ball yan. Pass to Ginisa. And basket down, coming from Ginisa for 2. Ayun, Balinan. And basket count as he's coming from Fuentes. He scored 11-4 in favor of Hempel. Ayun na, Trinos. Pass to Sadaya. Banning shot, overshoot, Lagnayo. Pass to Fuentes. Fuentes. Mablay, Lagnayo. Pass to Bernardo. Sablay, rebound. Ayun na, Jaime. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Trinos. Pass to Sadaya. Open. Mablay, Reyes. Ayun na. Lagnayo. Yun lang. Bernardo. Pass to Balinan. 14. Ayun na. Genisa. Timeout! Ballers. They scored 13-4.
Hempel 13, Bullers 4. Mega shout out sa ating 14,000 na taga-panuod, masugid na manunood.
Hindi lumalabas yung hindi namin ma-scroll up. Siya sabi naman. Hindi siya natatabunan ka ng scroll naman. Kaya kailangan ko bukunin para dito na lang.
Back to the ball game.
Uy!
And now Fuentes. Pass to Bernardo. Open. For 3. Mablay, Reyes for the good back. One minute and 47 seconds remaining second game clock. And Jaime. Pass to Sadaya. Back to Jaime, open. 14 to shoot. Ayun, ganda ng assist. And Genisa for two. Night in the wind. Pass to Fuentes. Bernardo Boren. Portrait. Ayun, once a shooter, always a shooter. Ganun talaga. Oo. Yung kung yung unang mga tira hindi pumasok, pag pinagbigyan mo tumiran, sisirahan ka talaga niyan. Ayun na, Jaime. 14. Yun lang. Bernardo out. Kota ka na daw, idol. Ayun na, Fuentes. Receiving the basket. Masuk Villanueva por 3. Tirang kapos. Ayun na, sa daya. Paso Jaime. Wala pa nga. Wala pa. Hindi pa nakatapak.
Daya.
Sa daya. Wala pa. Hindi pa nakatapak sa loob. Ayun na, Villanueva. Paso Fuentes. Paso Lagnayo. Portrait. Sumablay. Rebound. Ginisahin na. Trinos from the ball. Paso Ilardo. Ayun. And counter steal coming from Jaime. Pull out. Jumper. Sablay. Reyes is skying for the rebound. Pass to Lagnayo. And Lagnayo. Pass to Villan. Whip out. For two. Timeout. Temple. He scored 15-11, 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Back to the ball game. This is our first quarter and our last game for the night battle between Sai Matria and Oklaban versus What's Wrong, Baby. Ayun na, Trinos. Tinawad. Paso sa Libera. Ganda naman si Lordo for two. Fuentes. Ayun, Sablay, Reyes. And back it down, coming from Reyes for two. Ayun na, Ilardo. Lumusot.
Ay.
15 to shoot. Pass to Trinos. Filiperes. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Filiperes. Good try. Sumablay. Ayun, napaganda pa. Nagkaroon pa ang naginaw kay Reyes number 3. First personal foul. The second team foul. Two free throws for Ginisa. Unang tira sa Blay. Last throw. Sablay pa rin, rebound, ayun Gardosa. Villanueva, pass to Jogares for 3, bang! At bumalik na, yung swerte ni Jogares. Kagabi, mahalag pa sa batis. Ayun na, Jaime, 17-16, 1 point lead. Offensive, ay tinawag. Substitution. Trinos. Sa akin ka, Noel. Patry mo muna ng improper uniform. Patry mo muna for improper uniform. Yung taga-hempel, walang uniform. Labas kayo dyan. Oy, labas kayo dyan. Improper uniform.
Manager sa hinting.
He scored deadlock at 17. 2 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. And now Fuentes. Pass to Juarez. Reyes. 14. 4-3. Sumablay. Rebound. Ilato yun. Tapitan. Reyes. Back to Juarez. 10. Back to Juarez. 4-3. Sumablay. Disputado for the rebound. Pass to Ilato. Pass to Gado. And Sablay, Gado ulit. Uy! Sumabit. Foul number 30. Juarez substitution. Fuentes out. Morelos in. Juarez first personal foul. 13 foul. Unang tiro Sablay. Coming from Gado. Lastro. Substitution. Ahí na Morelos. Masuk ke Dosa. Ayun, turn around shot. Supply, rebound, and Sabigan, Elardo. Pass to Caberte, Disputado, dribbling the ball. Pass to Elardo. Pass to Gado. 14 to shoot. Back to Elardo, open. Sumablay, Gado, erase. And Repolyo Sablay, rebound, Villanueva. Ayun, Sabigan, Gado. 10. Pass to Disputado. 5. Elardo open. Sumablay, Reyes for the rebound. Pass to Juarez. And Juarez in the ball. The blue chair is good for 2. Come from Juarez at lumamang na ang bowlers ng isa, 19-18. Ayun ang Caberte. Pass to Gado. Sumablay, rebound, Elardo, fade away, is good. Coming from Elardo. 2019, 1 point lead for Team Hempel. And exactly 1 minute remaining. Morales, pass to Juarez. Pass to Reyes. 14 to shoot. Villanueva. 4-3. Sumablay. Foul number 6. Noel. Foul. Substitution. Reyes out. Ruben in. 44 seconds remaining. Starting game clock. 14 to shoot. And Juarez. Pass to Morelos. 4-3. Sumablay. Gado. Pass to Elardo. Pass to Caberte. Tapon sa baw. Seconds. Ayun na, Morelos. Sakla. 14 to shoot. 10. Cardosa. Ayun, ganda ng assist. Sumablay. And Elardo dribbling the ball. 6. And Sablay, rebound, and 1. That's the end of the first Water.
Hempel 20, Bowlers 19. Isa lang po ang lamang. Mga kaibigan, pakishare po ang ating live. Is brought to you by Gandor Official.
We're back to the ball game. This is our second quarter.
Matik diretso na yan.
Hempel ball. Depensa kayo, bowlers.
Ako naman, ano silang ganyan? Hindi na taas. Ayun, nasa pag.
Second quarter. Lamang na isang game.
Ayun na, Kaberte. Diskitado break. Back to Kaberte. Open. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na, Ilardo. Trailing the ball. 10.
Tingnan ko hindi ako chinset.
5. Supply. Rebound. Ayun na, Tagitan. Ayun, Darwin. Morelos. Ayun. Agawan ng bola. Ayun na. Bubukol ng press. Kapasundra! 4-3. May natitira pa, no? Dami binitiwang kagabi niyan. No. Ayun na. Diskitado. 4-3. Ilardo. Ayun na. Nice defense coming from Caberte. Caberte. Bubukol. Supply. Ilardo. Ayun. Jump ball. Bola ng bowlers. Ayun na, Gamasang number 3. Sumablay and Godoy for the rebound pass to Caberte. He scored 24-20, 4-point lead for Team Bowlers. Ayun na. Gado for 3. Bang! Gado for 3. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gantor Company. Our major sponsor together with Jollibee and Villanueva. 14. Ayun, Gado. Pass to Caberte. Ayun, skill coming from Gapasangra. Back to Sureta. Ayun na, Gapasangra. 4-3. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na. Pass to Godoy. Pass to Gado. Gado, lilipad. At merong foul. Ay dinawag kay number 15, Villanueva. Substitution. Villanueva, first personal foul, substitution. Unang tiro pasok, pamabangado, last throw.
Pare si Galsi, papasok shooter ha.
Masuk si Godoy, knockout yung huli. Wala. Ayun na, Fuentes. Ayun na, Dorwin. Oy! Budget yan, from Dorwin. Ang tawag sa depensa na yun, happy viewing. Ayun na, Jaime. Paso Coberte. Paso Dinisa, Godoy open. Basket down, coming from Godoy. Godoy. Fuentes. Tinawid. Paso Gapasangra. Paso Fuentes. Villanueva open. Basket down. Coming from Villanueva. Bortu. He scored 20-26. 2 points lead for team bowlers. Jaime bringing the ball. Paso Coberte. Paso Gonzales. Portray. Sumablay. Dorowin. Ayun na. And Fuentes. Paso Gapasangra. May sumakay. Sa baba pa lang. May foul na. Number 24, Coberte. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Coberte out. 16 to shoot. Dorwin. Paso Fuentes. Paso Villanueva open. Sumablay, rebound, Tapika, Naina, Trinos, reading the ball. Trinos, Paso Godoy. May ball na. Gapasang number 28. Substitution.
Sorry guys.
Munang tira pasok. Last draw. He scored 28-27. Bowler is leading by a half shot. Next game po natin battle between Saimatria. Ayun, nothing but net versus what's wrong, baby. He scored tie game at 28 and 20 Tinawid. Paso Fuentes. Paso Gapasangra for play. Sumablay. Bola sing. Gapasangra. Substitution. Ayun na, Ladnayo in. 12 seconds to shoot. Ayun na, Fuentes. Paso Sureta. 10. Fuentes for play. Bang! Aba, may natitira pa. Naka-anim kagabi. Basket down coming from Godoy. Ayun na. Fuentes si Tinawid. Okay lang kung number 16 yung jersey yung gagamitin. Okay. Ayun na, Lagnayo. Paso Villanueva open. Sumablay. Ayun na. Denisa bringing the ball. Denisa going strong to the basket. And Denisa Bordeaux. 32-31. Siso battle. Lagnayo. Paso Balinan. Nagdang foul na tinawag kay number 22, Galzim, substitution. Ito, Villanueva. Villanueva out. Pasok si Pamangkin. Sino ba? Mas matanda. Ayun. Pasok si Pamangkin, Villanueva. Ayun na, Lagnayo. Pull-up, jumper, supply. And Jaime. Lilibad and one. Basket down from number 27, Villanueva. First personal foul, substitution. Oh, 13 ball na. 13 ball na ang bonus. Bonus shot for Jaime. Violation. Na-violation ka na kanina. Not counted na isang free throw. Inulit mo pa. Ayun na. Fuentes, Paso Villanueva. 4-3. Sumablay. Ginisa for the rebound. And Trinos dribbling the ball. Paso sa Lugares. Paso ay may ganda ng assist na tapon ang sabaw. Ayun ang substitution. Ayan, mabuo kayo dyan. Mabuo kayo. Ayan, mas maganda dyan. Oh. Ayun na. Villanueva, paso Balinan. 14, ayun, nabitiwan. And Balinan, pass to Villanueva for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na, Binisa. Pass to Trinos. He scored 34-31. 3-point lead for Team Hempel and Jaime. Pass to Binisa. Sablay, rebound, Balinan, ayun na. Fuentes, dribbling the ball. Fuentes, ikot, ahoy! Fuentes! Roger, Oliveras. Paso Trinos. Paso Jaime. Traveling. Substitution. He scored 34-33. 1-point lead for Team Hempel. Ayun na, Fuentes. Still, kapigan, good ball yan. Oh. To work to shoot. Villanueva for 3. Sumablay and Cardoza. Oh, may pushing. Foul number 14. Mohamed first personal foul. 3 minutes and 9. Oh, nang tira natin but net coming from Cardoza. Ayun, Sablay, Trinos. Paso sa Oliveras. Paso Lucenio. Erase. And Fuentes giving the ball. Paso Labnayo. Ganda ng assist. Balinan, erase. And Muhammad, paso sa Oliveras. Paso Lucenio. Lucenio in lang. Natapon ng sabaw. Time out, Hempel.
Headlock po ang ating score, 34.
Back to the ball game. Oh. Bola ng bowlers yan. He's going deadlock at 34. Ayun na, Fuentes. Paso Bernardo. Paso Fuentes. Paso lang na yung open. Ayun, Sablay. Cardoza. Paso lang na yung. Time to shoot. Ayun lang. 5. Fuentes for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na. Ang swerte nila sa bola. Bernardo, Sablay. Ayun. And Trinos reading the ball. Trinos, paso sa Oliveras. Offensive foul. Offensive. Oliveras.
Nagdayo ang sportsmanlike foul.
Nagdayo ang sportsmanlike foul.
Teka lang.
Ipusin lang.
Lagnayo out. Juarez in.
Basket.
Starting ball yan, di ba?
Ball possession. Oh, hands po yun. Ayun na, 3-0. 2 minutes and 8. 4-3. Bang! 3-0. Timeout, Wallace.
Five to nothing run. 39 Hempel. 34 Bullers.
Ano?
Sumbong ka? Sumbong. Nahihila siya, nahihila.
Ayun na. 20. Warning bench. Ayun na, Fuentes. Pass to Bernardo. Back to Fuentes. Back to Bernardo. Open for 3. Bang! Bernardo for 3. 1 minute and 37 seconds remaining starting game clock. Ayun na, Silveras. Wald. 8. 5. Ayun na, Lucenio por 3. Bang! Lucenio por 3. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gantur Company. Together with Jollibee Fuentes for 3. Sumablay, rebound, ayun na. Oh, kitang-kitang last shot. Oh, Mohamed. 12 to shoot. Ayun na, Juarez, wait. And basket down, coming down, Juarez for 2. 42-39, 3-point lead, 50 seconds remaining, starting game clock. And Trinos leaving the ball. Pass to Lucenio, back to Trinos. 14. And Lucenio for 3. Sumablay, rebound, ayun na, Cardoza. Pass to Fuentes. Fuentes, pass to Bernardo, pass to Juarez, ikot. And supply, rebound, Lucenio. Pass to Silveras. Ayun lang, nabitiwan. And Fuentes. Pass to Juarez. Juarez! Sablay! Uy! Oh, may papaw na. Meron ng paw. Foul number 14. Penalty na yan. Penalty. 2 free throws for Balinan. Twelve seconds remaining. 12 seconds. And 2 free throws for Balinan. Oh, nandito po sa last throw. 12 seconds.
Shout out, Sandro. Si Tune.
Ayun, sablay. Uy! Bernardo. Foul number 5. Rinos. Penalty. Trinos, personal foul, 9 seconds.
Ginastosan kayo.
Unang tiro pasok kami from Bernardo. Last throw, 9 seconds. Basket, 9 seconds. Anak Trinos. 2. And that's the end of the second quarter.
Deadlock po tayo, 42. Sino na lang. Ang galing!
Mas maluwag. Effective ba yung SIM card? Ha? Effective?
Shout out lang, di mabasa shout out.
Hindi ka tulad ng iPhone. Sunod expect natin sa 850 yan. Dami nyo naman. May mute na. Nakita nyo may mute.
Wala talaga.
Wala talaga mute. Tangina nyo. Kayo tumahimik dyan. Mag-mute ka.
Mag-iPhone tayo. Boss, mag-iPhone tayo, boss.
Ang importante, maganda yung views.
Maganda, kuha lahat.
Clarity lahat. Tingnan mo sa kalaki na wag. Yun yung advantage niya sa ano.
Ganda kamera niya. Back to the ball game.
Now we're back to the ball game.
Mega shout out sa lahat ng ating taga-panood. Pakishare po ang ating live.
Bola ng himpel.
See together, happy together. Sports Sindicato Basketball League.
Now, Roberto. Paso Jaime. Paso Gato. Back to Roberto. Portre. Sirang kabot. And subline. Rebound. Ay na. Angat. Erase. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Roberto. Pass to Noel Sablay, rebound, ayun na, Binyaleba. Pass to Morelos. Kanina magkalaban tong dalawa na to. Ngayon, magkakampi na. Ayun na, Morelos. Pass to Gabasanga. Back to Morelos. To Binyaleba. To Wald. Gabasanga open. And Gabasanga! Bordre. Roberto Tinoed. Pass to Jaime. Ayun na. Basket count coming from Jaime Bordeaux. Ayun na, Gabasang Raul. Natapon ng sabaw. Ayun na, Roberto Tinoed.
1-2-2 ang depensa sa kabila. Zona lang sa kabila.
Pass to Godoy. Gato open. Portre. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. And traveling. Ayun na, Morelos.
Sige, Doy. Tunga ka, Doy.
Porte in the shoot. Pass to Villanueva. Ibinalibagay na Sureta open. Sumablay. Jaime with the ball. Jaime pa rin ang sablay. Repolyo yun. Ito na. Sa baba pa lang. Number 28. Kitang-kita eh. Number 28. Kapasang ka. Kapasang ka. Second personal foul. 14-2. Ayun lang. Tapon sa foul. Morelos with the ball. Morelos sa hangat. May umataw. Foul number 12. Gado. Gado, first personal foul, first team foul. Unang tira sa blind coming from Morelos. Last throw. Ayun na. They score 46-44, 2 points lead for Team Ballers and Caberte. Paso. Noel. Sablay. Ayun, still coming from Caberte. Caberte, paso Godoy. And offensive foul. Hindi na kay Godoy, number 17. Ayun na, Morelos. 7 minutes and 30. 46-44. Paso ka pa Sara. Ayun na, Piñaleba. 4-3. Sumablay, rebound, Gado. And Gado, 3 the ball. Paso Godoy. Take. Sablay, Godoy ulit. Panayan suwag. Dalawa na. Offensive foul. Substitution. Kinokomport pati ni Tilo Sari. Anak ng bakaw. Style mo. 14. Reyes is good. Good throw. Ground Reyes. 48-44. 4-point lead for Team Ballers. Ayun na, Denise open. Basket count. 46, 2-point lead. 6 minutes and 34. Ayun na, Morelos. 4-3. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na. And Noel, pass to Jaime. Jaime, angat. Sablay, rebound. Ayun na. Morelos. Sabitan, and Reyes, pass to Villanueva. Basket yan. Time out! Hempel. 50-46 ang ating score in favor of Ballers.
50.
Defensive ball.
Back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 1. Starting third quarter. May mga hindi pa naipapasok, ipasok niya ng third. Pagka sa fourth quarter, hindi niya naipasok mula first hanggang third yan. Hindi na makakalaro yan. Ayun na. Oliveras, 4-3. Bang! Oliveras, 4-3. And this sequence shot is brought to you by Gantur Company. Ayun na. Villanueva. 8. Tilo open. 4-3. Sumablay, rebound, tapi ka na yun. Oliveras in the ball. Oliveras pa rin. Samablay, rebound, Tilo. And Tilo, paso Cardosa. Cardosa, paso Tilo yun. And Villanueva, Bozo.
Tigil mo tayo ha. Sabihin, wala sa bench.
Ayun. Sino yung player na yan? Ay, happy viewing, Sureta. Happy viewing. Ang haba ng upuan natin, nakarating ka sa dulo.
Nangangapit bahay.
Ayun, basket, Candron Silveras. 52-50 ang ating score. Silveras in the ball. Passing well. Gato open for three. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan, ay na, Silveras. Ayun lang. And Tilo, paso Lagnayo. Lagnayo, paso Reyes, and Leon, paso Silveras. Paso nil, ayun na, Jaime. Uy, nagtapo ng Zabaw. A score 52-50, 2-point lead for Team Ballers, 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. Hilo. Tinawad. Pass Lagnayo, for three. Bang! Lagnayo, for three. And this triple shot is brought to you by Gantor Company, our major sponsor. Ayun na. Jaime open. 14, Gato. 10. And 1. Basket count, foul number 27. And substitution. Villanueva, second personal foul, third team foul. And Gato for the bonus shot. Sumablay, rebound, Reyes, pass to Tilo. And Tilo, pass to Cardosa. And basket down, goes down Cardosa, for two. Ayun na. Silveras, Tinawad. Pass to Gato, pass to Silveras. 14. And Sablay, Villanueva, dribbling the ball. Villanueva pa rin, hawak ang bola. Ayun na, Villanueva, paso lang tayo. Tapos sa ball, substitution. He scored 57-52, 3 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Ayun na, Jaime. Open for three. Sumablay. May tukod sa ilalim. May tukod sa ilalim. Sundaya, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ayun na. And Lagnayo. For three. Sumablay. Jaime dribbling the ball. Jaime pa rin. Pass, ayun, ganda naman si Umabas pa. And tapi ka nagawa ng bola, yun o. Dalawa yung knockout. Natulog na yung isa. Natulog na yung isa. Injury. Alalayan natin. Palitan muna. Sab muna. Sab muna yan. Nakita ko nung sipahin ni Tilo eh. Si Tilo may kagagawan yan. Ayun na, Silveras. Back to Jaime. Pass to Ilando, open. Sumablay. Silveras for the rebound. Silveras. Basket down for 0. 57-54, 3-point lead. And Tito. minutes and 33 seconds. Pasulog na yun. Villanueva. Overshoots. Oh, pasa pala yun. Balinan. For two. Ayun na. Jaime dribbling the ball. Ayun lang. Suliveras for three. Bang! Suliveras! Ayun na. Steal coming from Jaime. And Jaime. Paso Ilardo. Open. Basket count. Exactly 2 minutes remaining. Tie game at 59. Ayun na. Lag na yun. Late. Ayun. Substitution. Palit-palit. Villanueva out. Jokaris in. Ang tawag daw Miss Q. Na-miss niya si Q. Ayun na. Jaime. Itinawid. Ayun lang. Substitution. Ayun na. Denisa. 14. Soliveras for 3. Ayun. Pasa pala yun. Basket round. John Brown Ilardo. For 0. 61-59. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Ayun na. Lag na yun. Paso Cordosa. Foul number 12, substitution. Penalty. And 2 free throws for Cardoso. Unang pasok. Lazaro. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Starting game clock. Ayan, Sablay, rebound, Ilardo. And Ilardo passes Oliveras. Oliveras in the ball. Passes Lucenio. For 3. Sablay, ayun. Foul number 29. Kilo. Ganyan talaga pagka nagkakaedad, nanunulak na lang. Ayun na, Valiente. Paso Ilardo. Soliveras. Bang! Soliveras for 3. And lag na yun. Ayun na, hapon ang sabaw. 52 seconds remaining. 64-60. Ayun na, Valiente receiving the basket. Paso Lucenio. And nabitiwan. Lag na yun, dribbling the ball. Lag na yun, yun na. Jokares, Sablay, and Valiente, yun na. Oliveras open. Portray. Bang! Oliveras. Portray. 24 seconds. Pasulog na yun. Balinan. Sumablay, rebound, and Lucenio. Paso Ilardo, 12 seconds. Ilardo open. Ayun na, Oliveras. Sumablay, rebound, and tapigan. 5. Lucenio running shot. Sablay, and that's the end of the third quarter.
67 Hempel. 60 bowlers. Grabe, Noy!
Hindi, nagpaalam sa akin, may amo kasi. Nagpaalam sa akin, may amo. Sa palasyo, trabaho mo. Oo. Kaya nga lumapit dito.
Hindi naman din napasok ng tab.
Atake ka muna.
Ng Fuentes. Possibilinan. And Cardosa. Merong basket count. Next node. Okay. Number 10, Elardo. Elardo second personal foul. Bonus shot for Cardosa. Ayon Sablay, Trinos for the rebound. And Trinos in the ball. Paso Valiente. Valiente paso Elardo. Paso Lucenio for three. Bang! Lucenio for three. At meron ang foul na ginawag kay number 15. Valiente. Ayun na. 4-10 to shoot. Villanueva. Ayun, kapikan, Trinos. Ayun, nice. Still. Fuentes in the ball. Ganda ng assist. Balinan, Sablay. Balinan ulit. Dudukot, erase. Balinan, Sablay. And Elardo, paso Jaime. Jaime lilipad. Basket down. Time out. Ballers.
Score po natin, Ballers. 62, Helper. 72. Pakishare lang po yung live natin. Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood. Hindi man mababasa yung mga pangalan nyo. Salamat na rin.
Okay, back to the ball game. Fuentes. Tinawid. Pasok ang Dosa. At meron ang foul na ginawag yung number 13. Jaime. First personal foul. Third team foul. No ng tiro sa blind coming from Cardosa. Last throw. Ayun. Nanulang si Dude. Kitang-kita ang kita. Bali na number 4. Second personal foul. First team foul. And Trinos. Tinawid. Paso Valiente. Valiente open. Basket down. Ayun, may kasama pang gulong. Villanueva. Paso Fuentes. And Fuentes. Pass to Villanueva. 14 to shoot. 10. Kapasang na for 3. Paling. Ayun na. Tapikan. Balinan. Ayun, still. And Jaime dribbling the ball. Ayun na. Lucenio. Sumablay. With that in the ball. Fuentes pa rin. Pass to Villanueva. Sablay. Rebound. Uy. Last substitution. Balinan. Si Villanueva. Oo. Eh, sabi kasi Dudes eh. Di tinawag ko Balinan. Ayun na, Fuentes. Sumablay, Lardo for the rebound. Paso Drinos, paso Valiente. And Valiente. Paso Jaime. Offensive foul. Hindi nawag. Ayun na, Jaime. Paso Juarez. Paso Balinan. 14. Juarez Obran. Foul number 10. Ilardo. And 2 free throws. Penalty. Substitution. Ilardo, third personal foul. Substitution. Cardosa. Penalty na, 5 team balls na. Nang tira sa Blay, last draw. He scored 74-62. Ayan, Sablay, Lardo for the rebound. Pass to Silveras. And Silveras swing the ball. Pass to Jaime. Lardo, ganda ng assist. And put it down, coming from Jaime for 2. Juarez, pass to Brendan. Pass to Juarez. Pass to Balinan. Wald, Fuentes, lays it in for 2, coming from Fuentes. Ayun na, Trinos. 6 minutes and 50 sa ating game clock. And Trinos is tinawad. Pass to Ginisa. Back to Trinos. 12. Open. Jaime Sablay, rebound, Fuentes. And Fuentes pass to Juarez. And Juarez. Traveling substitution. Gapasangka out. Six minutes and 25 seconds remaining, something game clock, and Trinos winning the ball. Pass to Ginisa. 14 to shoot. Pass to Silveras. 10. Trinos goes back. Portrait. Sumablay, kapitan, Darwin. And 3-on-1 situation. Lagnayo yun, angat. Defensive. Number 2, Fuentes. Fuentes first personal foul, substitution. Ayun na, Ginisa back to Trinos. Ayun na, back to Ilardo. Pass to Ginisa. Silveras open. And traveling. Substitution. Garoin. Substitution.
Shout out sa lahat pong nanonood ng live ng Sports Sindikato.
Juarez pass to Lagnayo. And Lagnayo for 3. Sumablay, rebound. Foul number 12, Gado.
Share lang po ang ating live.
Penalty, second personal foul.
Share ang live.
ng tiro pasok. Kami from Fuentes. Last throw. 76-65. 5 minutes and 34 seconds. Nothing but net. 100% shooting from the free throw line. Ayun na, Ginisa. Ayun na. Oo. Tama. Nasa loob pa, ano yung ginasa? Bakit? Bakit naman talaga? Ayun na, Trinos receiving the basket. Paso si Libera. Time out! Hempel.
Score po natin. Hempel. 76. Bowler 66.
Wala kasi yung metal na casing ko eh. Ano metal casing? Ano pala, binigay ko lang kay Rudy yung...
Back to the ball game. Ayan. Isa na lang, tayo dalawa. Bola ng Hempel. Shot clock 16. Shot clock 16. Ayun na, Gado receiving the basket. Gado nakalusot. Time out! Ballers! Sa mga gusto pong bumili ng legit na sapatos, nandito po si Ian Floresca. Ayan. Siguradong legit yung sapatos na mabibili niyo. Original.
Mamit na ng libro. Mamit na ng libro. Ginamit na ng libro.
Ay, matindi na po yung
Back to the ball game.
May libro. Ginamitan na ng libro.
5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Starting game clock. Ayun na, Fuentes. Paso Lagnayo. Back to Fuentes. Balinan. And basket count. Ganggang Balinan for two. Ayun na, Jaime. Bringing the ball. Paso Gato. And Gato bringing the ball. For 10. Meron ng foul. And tinawag kay Balinan number 4. Third personal foul. Third team foul. He scored 78-68. Jaime receiving the basket. 10. Celebrate for 3. Sumablay, rebound, ayun lang, tapon sa foul. Ayun na, Fuentes. Paso Balinan. Ayun na, Sureta. Hey, oy, dumulas. Nakalagkad ang pa. Ayun na, baba na. Ayun na, Trinos. Dribbling the ball. Trinos Warren. Paso Ginisa. Meron ng foul na itinawag kay Balinan number 4. Warning for penalty. Fourth personal foul. Ayun na, Ginisa. For 3. Bang! Ginisa for 3. And this sequence shot is brought to you by Cantor Company. Ayun na, Jocares. Dribbling the ball. Jocares walang bantay. Basket count. Ang tawag sa depensa na yung Hoppy Viewing. Ayun na, Trinos winning the ball. Trinos pa rin. Paso sa Libera. 14 to shoot. Paso Gato. 10 to shoot. Ayun na. Jaime sumablay. And Fuentes winning the ball. Fuentes pa rin. Pupukol ng tres. Ayun, balinan. Angat, sablay, rebound. Ayun, tapikan. And Trinos. Paso sa Liberes. And Suliberes, 3-on-2 situation. Yun lang. Substitution. Tumama sa'yo. Three minutes and 3 seconds. Ayun na, Fuentes. 81-70 ang ating score. Villanueva. Dudukot. Basket down. Coming from Villanueva. And Gato winning the ball. Gato pa rin. Paso to Liberes. Liberes winning the ball. 14. To Liberes. Oh, basket down. Going down to Liberes. And Lagnayo winning the ball. Lagnayo pa rin. Paso Fuentes. And Fuentes. Paso Juarez. 4-3. Sumablay. And Villanueva sablay, rebound, tapikan, Fuentes, angat, basket down. It's score 83-74, 9 points lead. Ayun na, Jaime. Reading the ball. 4-10 to shoot. 10. 10 isa. Oh, time out! Ballers, dos lang, nakatapak sa guhit, dos lang, nakatapak sa guhit.
Score po natin.
85-74 ang ating score, 1 minute and 54 seconds.
Pakishare lang po yung live natin, ha. Pakishare lang po. Salamat. Shoutout po sa lahat. Hindi ko banggit na isa-isa kasi pero shoutout po.
Wala na kayong time out. Wala nang time out. Yung Hempel may isa pa. May isang time out pa. Ang Ballers wala nang time out. Wala nang time out ang Ballers. May isa pang time out ang Hempel. 14. Shot clock nila 14. 1 minute 54 seconds remaining.
Hoy, Kinisa!
Ayun na, Fuentes. Open, 4-3. Sumablay, Juarez. So, may foul.
Right, next side, right!
Foul number 12, Gado. Tatlo pa lang. Substitution. Nang zero supply. Last draw. 1 minute 45 seconds. Ayun, basket. Ayun na, Jaime. Reading the ball. Jaime pa rin. Hawak ang bola. Paso Trinos. Paso Lardo. 14. 10. Ganda lang kasi. And sumablay. Rebound. Tapi ka ngayon na. Fuentes. Reading the ball. Fuentes pa rin. Attacking the defense to Juarez Big. Run shot. Sumablay. And Ginisa. Paso sa Liberes. Ayun na. Trinos. Trinos in the ball. Ayun na. Elardo. Sumablay. And Fuentes in the ball. 56 seconds. Fuentes. Sumablay. Rebound. Ginisa. Paso Jaime. And Jaime holding the ball. 41 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10. Silveres, for 3. Pumaul pa. Pumaul pa si Lagnayo. Tatlong free throw yan. Lagnayo, second personal foul. Penalty. Nang tira sa Blay, dalawa pa.
Nagbubulungan na.
Nang pangalawang tira pasok, nagbubulungan na, may taya. Nagbubulungan na, yung mga may taya.
Nagkakabulungan na.
Ang Sablay is score 86-75 by Natrinos. Oliveres. Basket count 24 seconds. Tirang Sablay. Ayun na. Oliveres. Pass to Trinos. For the leg. 10. Sablay. Oliveres for 3. Sablay. And that's the end. Anong Kamayan 5 Kings is score 88-75. 8-5 ang winning numbers. Kamayan pa.
Score po natin. Wala na po yun.
Pressure! Sa gitna!